Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Gemini, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance, so that reading may clear your doubts or answer some questions you have in your situation, guys. Gemini, so you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Ace of Moons in reverse, Hermit, and Eight of Moons in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, Gemini, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are at crossroads making some important choices today. So you don't want to make some wrong decision. So you are thinking and planning what to make or what will work for you. You are waiting for the right clarity, right decision today. And maybe for some of you, you are worried because you don't want to repeat your past mistake. Maybe there was something you did in your past and you don't want to repeat that again today in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. And you are stuck, worried about things of the past. You are still brooding and you feel a lot stressed, guys. You don't want that similar circumstances again in your life today, and that may be the reason you're thinking, waiting for clarity or waiting for someone's guidance. And maybe for some of you, you are getting clarity from your friend or a family member. They are suggesting you certain things, ideas maybe, or the right choices maybe today. And or maybe for some of you, it may be from a friend, or it may be this person you love. You were not in contact with them for quite some time now. It may be your past person, guys, your ex. So they are telling you something that is going to change the way things are today. Maybe they are giving you ideas or suggestions. They would have been, they were your best friend, but you were not talking to them for quite some time now. But today you are asking them something, or you have met them somewhere. It may be a rare circumstance, some kind of a surprise visit or a surprise meeting. And this person is suggesting you ideas, something that may work for you guys. And you are having that clarity and maturity in your heart, what works well. So you see things with more clarity today after you meet this person. And for some of you, you are spending time with this person. It may be your friend or your past person, guys, and you are happy that you have met them, and you want to know everything about them, what they have done all along these days. So what has happened or what has unfolded in their life. So you are trying to catch up with this person, and you are happy that things have gone this way. Maybe it may not be love, but you have got back that friendship you lost with this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment, and stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. So for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict, and you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment, and maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease. You don't know what to do. You feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self-sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness, and maybe in the long run you may earn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talent, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self-determination, finding that purpose. We encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident and courageous. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.